Welcome to this video tutorial where we'll explore how to create a Snowflake storage integration with a GCP bucket using Terraform. If you're working with big data and cloud storage, you know how important it is to have seamless integrations between different platforms. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Snowflake, Google Cloud Platform, and Terraform, and show you step by step how to set up a storage integration that will simplify your data management workflow. As data engineers and scientists, we're always looking for ways to optimize our data pipelines, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. By integrating Snowflake with GCP buckets using Terraform, we can create a robust and scalable data infrastructure that meets the demands of modern data-driven applications. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts, steps, and best practices involved in setting up this integration. To start, let's talk about what Snowflake is and why it's an attractive choice for data warehousing and analytics. Snowflake is a cloud-based data platform that allows users to store, process, and analyze large amounts of data in a scalable and secure manner. One of its key features is the ability to integrate with various storage systems, including Google Cloud Storage. Google Cloud Storage, JCS, is an object storage service that provides durable and highly available storage for large amounts of unstructured data. By integrating Snowflake with GCS, we can leverage the strengths of both platforms to create a powerful data infrastructure. Now, let's talk about Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool that allows us to manage and provision cloud resources in a predictable and repeatable manner. In this tutorial, we'll use Terraform to define our Snowflake storage integration with GCS. To set up the integration, we need to follow several steps. First, we need to create a new service account in GCP that will be used by Snowflake to access the GCS bucket. Then, we need to create a new storage integration in Snowflake using the Terraform provider. This involves defining the integration name, type, and credentials. Next, we need to configure the integration settings, including the bucket name, region, and authentication method. We'll also set up the data loading and unloading policies to ensure seamless data transfer between Snowflake and GCS. Using analogies can help illustrate complex concepts. Think of the storage integration like a bridge that connects two islands, Snowflake and GCP. The bridge integration allows data to flow freely between the two platforms, enabling us to leverage their respective strengths. Here are the main points we covered in this video. Snowflake is a cloud-based data platform that supports storage integrations with various systems. Google Cloud Storage provides durable and highly available object storage for large amounts of unstructured data. Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool used to manage and provision cloud resources. To set up the integration, we need to create a service account in GCP, define the integration settings in Snowflake, using Terraform, and configure the data loading and unloading policy. That's it for this video tutorial. We hope you now have a solid understanding of how to create a Snowflake storage integration with a GCP bucket using Terraform. By following these steps and best practices, you'll be able to set up a robust and scalable data infrastructure that simplifies your data management workflows. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on cloud, computing, data engineering, and related topics. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Snowflake, GCP, and Terraform. Share your stories and tips with the community. As a next step, we encourage you to try out the integration yourself using the steps outlined in this video. You can also explore more advanced topics such as data governance, security, and performance optimization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.